are shocked. How is it possible? Because they are constantly doing 2 hours exercise and they are unable to solve, and they are constantly thinking on the cost. If we want to solve this problem, what would be the cost? But that bottom level person have giving a solution at the cost of 2 to 3,000. Then they ask, what is the solution? The bottom level employee said, sir, we can put one big fan and we can throw the air on there at the point of packing time. तो जब पैकिंग के टाइम आप एयर थ्रो करोगे तो जो भी वैकेंट बॉक्स है वो उड़ के गिर जाएंगे, और जो फुल बॉक्स है that we can go that will go in the final packages or final cartons or final boxes. So it is really impressive solution, because here I said problem solving is not the only the at the top level. It always possible by anyone or everyone. Okay, so being a teacher, we need to teach. You can also solve this problem. You can also solve this problem. That way you can develop the skill among the student. Even sometime what happen in our mathematics or some accounting subjects or practical subjects, students are giving the solution as per their own way. It might be right. If it right, accept it. It will create change in ourselves. So we need to follow same exercise whatever we are sharing with the students. So student may be quite possible they are having look at the other side of the problem. They can solve better than us. It is possible. So always be open, be ready to accept the change. Then and then you can just solve the problem easily. So this is a problem solving in a one shop company. That small or bottom level guy can solve the biggest issue, quality issue of a company, which was not done by executive. Later on he was promoted, but I want to share there is no age, no any designation required to solve the problem. At any place, at any designation, you can solve the issues and problem. Now let's discuss, if we are having a problem solving skill, then the skills made us what? The skills made us a critical thinker. Okay, as we always learn that necessity is a mother of invention and innovation. We learn in a 6th or 7th standard book that Vasco da Gama has, who is a Portuguese, has found out the coastal way of India. It is required as per the situation and time that some countries Britishers are not allowing to enter from this way. So they find out, Vasco da Gama has find out the way, and Portuguese government has given the fund for the find out the Indian coastal way. Why? Because they are the lover of Indian spices. They want Indian spices. If they want to purchase Indian spices, there should be a way from where they can import the Indian spices. So here necessity makes necessity is a mother of inventions and innovations to find out the ways. Fine. How it is a critical thinker, and if we are just look at the decision maker, if you are thinking critically, you can take the decision. Now I want to share, while you are taking the decision, you always keep in your mind all the WH questions. Why this problem arise? Where it is arise? What the problem? Who have created problem? How we can solve the problem? Which alternatives are available? By whom we can concern this problem? And when it can resolved? Okay, we need to ask ourselves all WH questions. We can develop this problem solving skill and we will become a decision maker. To be a decision maker, first quality should require, that is problem solving. Okay, now I want to share one beautiful story with you people, that many years ago in a small Indian village, a farmer had a misfortune of owing a large sum of money to a village moneylender. The moneylender or landlord, who was old and ugly, fancied the farmer beautiful daughter, so he proposed and bargained. So I want to share this story. What the story is? In a village, father and daughter is living, both are happy, and father is always doing a perfect thing. But in last 3 years there were no rain. So farmer is facing the problem. Actually father is a farmer. Okay, so father is facing the problem, and he has taken too much debt from a money lender or landlord. So money lender is old and ugly and even greedy. He wants something. He wants to marry with a young and beautiful girl, but no one will ready because he was old and ugly and even not good in character. So what the money lenders mind, उसके दिमाग में कीड़ा चढ़ गया कि I can do. So one day he went to the farmer's home and asked for the debt and asked for the money. Please refund my fund or refund your debt. Farmer said, please allow me some time. If next year there will be a good rain or good monsoon, I will repay your full debt with interest. But money lender is not ready because he wants something else. तो वो रेडी नहीं था क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में फार्मर की ब्यूटीफुल डॉटर थी. तो उसने सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा करते हैं कि वो फार्मर मुझे उसकी बेटी से शादी करवा दे. तो उसने बोला कि आई हैव अ 3 प्रपोजल, यू कैन चूज एनी ऑफ दिस, यू डोंट हैव अ चॉइस, you have a three alternatives to choose. Now this is the problem for farmer, because farmer don't want to marry his daughter with this ugly guy. So the proposal is, money lender has given 3 proposal. First proposal, you pay your debt. The first proposal is not fit for the farmer because he cannot pay, he don't have money. Second alternative is, you allow to marry your daughter with me. Second is also not possible for farmer because he don't want to get marry his daughter with this ugly guy. So third proposal is what? That he can give options. Money lender has given the option, I will put 2 pebbles in this pot. One is white pebble and one is black pebble. If your daughter will select white pebble, I will not marry with her, and I will forego your debt. And if your daughter will select black pebble, then your daughter needs to marry with me and I will forego your debt. So in a third option, first is not possible to pay the money. Second is what? Directly marry with this girl. It's also not possible. But in third option, there is a 50% of a probability of the chance that if white pebble will selected by the daughter, then debt also free, he will be also debt free, and his daughter need not to marry with the greedy guy. So he's thinking on it, but even though he's not willing or not ready to do it, because still there is a 50% of chance that his daughter might be choose a black pebble. All this conversation listened by his daughter. Daughter is really beautiful and beauty with brain, and she is sharp, she is wise, she is clever, and she is having a feeling for her father. She think that if I'll do for third options and my there is a 50% chances to select the white pebble, then there will be a chance to get debt free and I will not marry with this guy. So उसको ऐसा लगा कि हो सकता है भाई, ये 50% तो है ना, प्रोबेबिलिटी तो है कि मेरा बाकी ईश्वर पे छोड़ देते, मेरे फादर का तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो शी इज़ रेडी फॉर इट. देन शी सेज ओके, आई एम रेडी फॉर इट, आई विल चूज वन ऑफ द पेबल फ्रॉम द पॉट. So that person was a greedy guy. What he has done? He put both black pebbles. उसने दोनों ही पॉट में ब्लैक कलर के पत्थर रख दिए. Now it is not that कि उसने देखा नहीं, गर्ल ने देख लिया कि दोनों ही पत्थर उसने ब्लैक रखे हैं. शी इज़ वेरी शार्प. सो what to do? Now this is the problem for the girl. So it's girl's responsibility to solve this problem. Here, being a girl, if it will be a physical class, I'll ask you the question and we will do this beautiful exercise. What can be the optimum solution being a girl? But as this is not time permits and in virtual class it is not quite possible, so I have to discuss what is a solution. Otherwise it is really wonderful exercise. Fine, let's discuss what the girl has done. Girl has selected one pebble and she has act like she fell down and throw the pebble. So greedy guy was angry because how then said to that girl, what you have done? How we come to know that which pebble you have selected? Now girl is very sharp, she is clever, she is wise, she knows the result. तो उसने शांति से बोला, अंकल ये गलती से हो गया, लेकिन अभी एक और थिंग है कि हम उसका मेरा डिसीजन, मैंने कौन सा पेबल पसंद किया है वो आपको पता चल जाएगा. As you said, if I select white, you will not marry with me and forgo my father's debt, and if I select black, you will marry with me and forgo my father's debt. Fine. So मैंने सिलेक्ट करके वो गिर गया, हमें नहीं पता है कौन सा पेबल था. तो what we can do? हम पोर्ट में जो दूसरा पेबल है वो तो देख सकते हैं ना, जो दूसरा है उसके अलावा का मैंने सिलेक्ट किया होगा. गर्ल नोस बोथ आर ब्लैक, सो डेफिनेटली सेकेंड वन विल बी ब्लैक. तो उसका मतलब क्या है, उसने ब्लैक को वाइट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. उसने जो भी सिलेक्ट किया था वो वाइट किया था, क्योंकि अभी उस टाइम तो गर्ल नहीं बोल सकती थी. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर वो बोलेगी तो भी कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं आने वाला था. अगर वो बोले उस टाइम बोलती, जिस टाइम उसने देख लिया था दोनों ब्लैक पेबल उसने रखते हुए देख लिया, तब बोलती तो क्या होता. ये कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं था. वो चिल्लाता और फिर बोल के चला जाता कि आपको घर खाली करना है, ज़मीन दे देनी है, ऐसा कुछ करता. लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ, उसका तो परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन आ गया ना. गर्ल हैज़ फाइंड आउट द परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन. डैट इज ऑल्सो फॉरगो एंड शी विल नॉट मैरी विद दैट ग्रीडी गाय. नाउ दैट ग्रीडी गाय फील शेम्ड and he leave the house and she she is really happy that she has solved the problem of her father and even her problem. So this is a beautiful exercise and beautiful story that how one can solve the problem. If there is no options is available, still there is the option to solve the problem. Okay, so let's discuss how it is problem solving make us as a creator. Okay, how we can become an creator. We know that if we want to solve the problem, if we have decided to solve the problem, we can do anyhow. We have a good examples of many entrepreneurs. Right now I'm talking about the Chinese entrepreneur, but if you talk about any entrepreneur, they are passing from rejections, failure and many problems. Okay, but they have not stopped. They've solved the problem, they've solved their failures reason, they've solved their rejections, then they become the entrepreneur. Okay, we have a good example of our Dhirubhai Ambani, who is one time as a petrol pump attendant. He has faced many problems. Then we have a clear idea about him. Right now in India, we have a n numbers of a petrol pump on his name. How is it possible? Because of his problem solving attitude. Okay, if rich person is there and there is no problem, no, everywhere there is a problem, but we need to solve it. Okay, now let's discuss how problem solving can create process made us creator. Jack Ma, you may heard the name of Jack Ma, who is owner of Alibaba.com or founder of Alibaba. And Jack Ma is a richest person in China. But once upon a time, Jack Ma was rejected in interview. There were 21 candidates for an interview and 20 were selected and one is rejected. That is Jack Ma. Why he is rejected? Because he don't have an email ID. Now this thing creates a Jack Ma. Actually, what the Jack Ma? Jack Ma has worked as even a tourist guide and he's also good in English. But my point is here that problem solving. Why I don't have an email ID? What is this? And what I can do it? What I can contribute in it? Then he is a creator of Alibaba.com, which is the greatest and biggest platform for online buying and selling. So this is really a nice thing. Now person who don't have an email ID can create such thing because of the problem. Okay, so because of the problem solving attitude. Now let's discuss how problem solving make us as an innovator. I think many people have used the Uber apps, Uber Eats, many things. But how it comes in front of us? It comes from the problem. Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp both were in one hotel, one biggest conference which is organized in California, and in that many economics come together to discuss. So that lane was full of old hotels and motels. Suddenly there was a snowfall. Travis Kalanick and Granite came at hotel by taxi. Now due to sudden snowfall they couldn't catch any taxi because रास्ते में ही सब होटल में रास्ते में ही कोई ना कोई ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता था, तो उसको टैक्सी ही नहीं मिल रही थी. They wait for 2.5 hours. During this 2.5 hours, as an entrepreneur, they not waste the time in WhatsApping and just chatting and calling and uh, just constantly doing a mobile, they think on it how we can solve this problem. If we want taxi, or if we want to go anywhere, if call for taxi for before 15 minutes, can we get it? This is the problem. So during 2.5 hours they tried to find out the solution of this problem, and Uber's idea comes in their mind. They've stopped their whatever startup in their regular activities and constantly focus on Uber. So this is how entrepreneur creates an opportunity from the problem. Okay, problem solving attitudes creates new things. So as I already discussed, this is a crucial. Why this is crucial? I'm from a management field, so mostly I giving the entrepreneur example. But even though I'll share the one of the Panchtantra story of a girl and that father. Fine. So next story is Zomato. Mr. Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj, both are IIT graduates. Both are working in one company, and during the lunch time he went for a lunch for at one restaurant, and what happened, even they are unable to get the menu card. Since half an hour they are waiting to get the menu card to decide their order. So initially they face the problem because lunch time is a minimum. They are having a 1 hour lunch time, lunch break, and they need to finish all this thing. So they face the problem. Now how to solve this problem? They think they can create an online website where every working people can get a menu card of any of the restaurant or hotel. So they've created website. Eventually many people are using it. Many people are logged in their websites. So they feel, yes, there is something we need to develop. Then they have contacted to the restaurant and hotels. Then they have done the tie-up. This is the later on success story. But what I want to share, this is the problem. That is why Swiggy and Zomato both having the same issue. Zomato start from Delhi and Swiggy start from the Bengaluru. So how these two founders of Zomato try to solve the problem? Initially they have just done for the menu. Then later on they try to deliver online foods. They create the online food delivery applications. So that is why problem solving attitude creates us as an innovator. Before that we don't think about it, that in a one click we can get the food, in a one click we can get the ride. Or right now Ola is working on it, Uber is working on it. You can get anything at any point of time. So this is surprise for us, but this comes from the problem only. Now let's discuss about the inventions. Okay, how problem creates the inventions. We know that many scientists work. Okay, how they are solving the problem? We know the name of Thomas Alva Edison. He is a founder of lamp. We cannot say founder, but he has invented the lamp. Okay, why? Because he is constantly doing a research, and during the night he want to do a more research, but he can't because of not having a light. So that is why he has developed the lamp, and result is in front of you. Right now we are using it. We are the principle of this we are using in every place. So this is the way we are solving the problem. Okay, I hope you enjoy the lecture, how problem can be solved. If we directly said the student, please you follow this, they never do it. If I am telling to you story, you are ready to listen. Same way, students are ready to listen through the story. So this is also one method you can teach your student by telling the stories. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Goodbye. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. I already shared my email ID and contact number with this presentation. So you can contact me. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Goodbye. Thank you.